Now let us see the problem based on the natural numbers or nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. In this case, to solve the problem, so without solving the following equation, to find out the value of k when the roots are distinct real. So this is important. So we are seeing the nature of the roots. So whenever they mention roots are distinct real, we need to take discriminant is only greater than 0. Okay, they mention distinct, so different. That means it is not equal to 0. There should be two answers. That means only discriminant must be greater than 0. Okay, from the solution. So if you take the given equation, kx square, we need to find out the k value, plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So according to the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So where we can write the value of a, b, c. So a is the x square coefficient, that is k, and b is the x coefficient is 2 and constant is c, that is 1, right? And the main important thing is they mention distinct real. So that's why we need to take these. First we'll find out the discriminant, b square minus 4ac value. So that is b square. So 2 square minus 4 into a is the k and c is 1. Right? That is 4 minus 4k. But according to the distinct real, so we need to take now d is greater than 0. Okay, only roots are real. They mention we'll take d is greater than or equal to 0. If they mention roots are real and equal, just to mention d is equal to 0. If they mention only distinct real roots, just take d is greater than 0. That's important. So 4 minus 4k is greater than 0 because of roots are distinct real. Now let us simplify this symbol. That is 4 greater than 4k. When 4 is greater than 4k, then 4k is less than 4, right? Then k is less than 4 divided by 4. Just simplification you can do. Then k is less than 1 because 4 get cancelled. Now based on this we can write the therefore required solution set. So required set is here. Now k is belongs to the real numbers, all the numbers, but k condition is less than 1, right? Okay. So in this problem also the main thing is whenever the according to the mention, so they mention distinct real, so we should take this step discriminant is greater than 0 and solve. Up to finding the discriminant is same, but according to the conditions which they mention, we should take this step. Only 3 conditions, whether real, equal, and only real and distinct real. So when they mention the distinct real, you take the discriminant is greater than 0. Okay. Now these are the three types. Some solved is solved. Now let me show other 2 more problems which are just to show that, they're asking show that has no real. So some show that questions and proving type questions I'll explain now.